Hello and greetings. My name is Pilemon Vinci, Anak Mini, matrix number 65169. My group members are Asyri Hussaini, Mohamad Hafiz, and Aisyatun Radhiah. We from Group 18 will be presenting about our project, which is Smart Garbage Monitoring System. In this presentation, we will present about introduction of the project, problem statement, objective, hardware specification, software specification, methodology, project design, and specific place. For introduction, the Smart Garbage Monitoring System uses the sensor technology to detect the level of waste in a garbage can. This system will consist components such as ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Uno, ESP Wi-Fi module. The traditional way of manually monitoring the waste in a waste bin is a cumbersome process and utilizes more human effort, time and cost, which can easily be avoided with our present technology. Our problem statement for this project are different kind of waste material usually fill the bin at different rate. Rubbish bin fill up very quickly if only using one type of bin, and some garbage that are full were not taken care of. Our objective are to propose system architecture in smart garbage monitoring system for management use, to formulate algorithm for LED indicator, notification system and record purpose, and finally to develop a system that can detect the level of garbage.
Hi, I am Aisyatun Radhiah binti Mohamad. My matric number 65359. So next part is hardware specification. In this project, we use three main components, that is Arduino Uno, ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, and ultrasonic sensor. First component that we use is Arduino Uno. It is an open source programming organization and client group. It also produces microcontroller pack for constructing program devices and intelligent objects that can detect and control questions and the real world. So next is ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. This will give project access to Wi-Fi internet, and it can communicate with any microcontroller and make the project wireless. Third component is ultrasonic sensor. It can measure the distance with high accuracy and stable reading. It can measure distance from 2 cm to 400 cm. These are the rate price for our main component. These three only cost below 60 ringgit. Since Arduino Uno charge around 30 ringgit, while ESP8266 and ultrasonic sensor are 20 ringgit and 10 ringgit respectively. In this project, three software that will involve that are Blink app, Arduino software, and lastly BlueStack. First one is Blink app. This app is a pre-built platform. It can control hardware remotely, display sensor data, and store data. Next is Arduino software. It is to write code using C++ language and upload to board. It supplies a software library from the wiring project, which provide many common input and output procedures. Lastly, BlueStack. BlueStack is an emulator. It is to allow Android application running on computer, since Blink app cannot support PC or laptop.
Hello everyone, my name is Asyri Hussaini. Now I'm going to present on the methodology to achieve our objectives in this project. Our first objective in this project is to propose system architecture in smart garbage monitoring system for management use. First, we ready a slide or video presentation to the premises management. Then we explain to them how the system will work and the details on the system architecture. We will point out all the information and functions of each component of the system architecture. And lastly, we will do a question and answer to the management to enhance their understanding about our system. This is the flowchart for our first methodology, where we will start with a ready video or slide presentation. Then we explain information, doing a Q&A session. When there are questions asked, we will explain and answer their questions, while if there is no questions, the sessions will end there. So now we will proceed with the system architecture of our project. Here is our second objective, which is to formulate algorithm for LED indicator notification system and record purposes. For LED indicator purposes, the system works without any failure on the components. Then the system detecting the garbage level. LED indicator will light up when the garbage reach maximum level. LED indicator will notify the user that the garbage bin is full. Now here is the simple flowchart which shows how the LED works. First, when the system is ready, the system will detect the garbage level. Then when the maximum level is reached, the LED will light up, while if not maximum, so the LED will not light up. So now for the notification purposes, as I mentioned earlier, the project will be connected to the Blink app. Then the login information is required to open the Blink project and entering the Blink server. Blink app will be running in the background to do the live monitoring on the level of garbage in the bin. When maximum level is reached, it will send notification in the Blink app to notify the workers. Now the slide shows the flowchart for the notification purposes. We will start with login to the Blink app by entering the password. If a wrong password, we need to log in again, and when the password is correct, we can open the Blink project. Blink app will running in the background to monitor the level of garbage in the bin. When maximum level is reached, it will send notification in the Blink app to notify the workers. If maximum level hasn't been reached, so the Blink app will keep running in the background to continue monitoring the level of garbage in the bin. Now we proceed with the third purposes in the second objective, which is the record purposes. The notification received in the Blink app when garbage bin is full. Workers will empty the garbage bin. Name and location of bin being emptied registered by workers in the Blink app, and lastly data will be recorded and stored in the Blink app. This is the flowchart for the third purposes, which is the record purposes. When the garbage level in the bin reach maximum level, the notification will be received in the Blink app, and the workers will need to empty the garbage bin. When they have emptied the garbage bin, they will register the name and location in the Blink app, so that the data can be recorded and stored in the Blink app. So this is the last objective in our project, which is to develop a system that can detect the level of garbage. First, we need to assemble all the components that is involved in this project. After connecting the component into a circuit, it will be tested to observe either the system is functioning or not. The ultrasonic sensor will detect the level of garbage which the worker can monitor using the Blink application. Notification will be sent to Blink application when certain level of the garbage in the bin is achieved. So the slide now shows the flowchart of the system that we will develop. First is the ultrasonic sensor to detect the level of garbage and send the information to Arduino Uno. The ESP8266 Wi-Fi module will connect it to the internet and connect using Blink libraries and project authentication ID to enter the Blink server and the Blink app.
My name is Mohamad Hafiz. My matric number is 66707. I will proceed our presentation with project design. This is our prototype. Consists of whole LED indicator, which is have two LED, red and blue LED. Next is Arduino Uno as a main component, ESP8266 as a Wi-Fi module, ultrasonic sensor as a sensor. Next slide is dimension. This is our three main component, which is Arduino Uno with 68.6 multiplied by 53.4 mm, ESP8266 with 49 multiplied by 26 mm, then ultrasonic sensor with 45 multiplied by 20 mm. Thus, our recommended dimension is 100 multiplied by 70 multiplied by 50 millimeter. As you can see, this is our circuit design, which is we use Arduino Uno, LED indicator, ESP8266 and ultrasonic sensor. We decided to select existing premises that provided rubbish bin for users use, such as shopping complex, for our target place. Our target place mall is in area Kuching, wilayah Sarawak. So that is all from us. Thank you.